Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Wellness Law newsletter. I just wanted to share some research that I've done on artificial intelligence. The question I wanted to ask is, can artificial intelligence replace wellness professionals like health coaching? So I tested Chat GPT. I don't know if you tried it on the OpenAI source, but I wrote in a few questions about how do I change my diet if I'm diabetic? And it was very good about listing some information about how to eat a better diet if you were suffering from diabetes, for example. And it also had the disclaimer that they're not a medical professional. And that's great. Wellness professionals might do that kind of education. But then I asked a follow-up question, but what if I can't meet those goals? Will you be my support in helping me meet those goals? And the answer that I got was an admission that no, I can't be a support like a human can. I am not able to do that kind of work. And really, I think that's what wellness professionals do best, is being that support, being that ear, that shoulder that people can lean on when they are facing a tough time in making good choices for themselves, whether it's diet, exercise, or other lifestyle behaviors. So, do I think AI can replace wellness professionals? Absolutely not. Not in a million years. So, keep doing what you're doing and use the wellness law firm for any help that you need to make sure you're doing it in a compliant way.